We are going to review top 5 best blenders for ice. Let's get started. List number 1. Blendtec Classic 575 Blender. Our top pick is the Blendtec DB62120 Total Classic Original Blender, a lightweight, powerful model that justifies its higher price with a great range of features. This model weighs a light 7.28 pounds and has a strong 1560 watt motor that very effectively crushes ice. The simple button interface offers 6 pre-programmed cycles, 10 variable speeds, and a pulse feature, plus a handy self-cleaning button. The BPA-free plastic pitcher has a smaller 32-ounce blending capacity but is well designed, with a fifth wall that pulls ingredients down onto the blade. The 2-tip stainless steel blade feels very durable and isn't sharp, so it's safer and easier to clean. List number 2. Ninja BL610 Ice Crushing Blender. Are you looking to save money? You may be interested in the Ninja Professional BL610 Countertop Blender, which we recommend as the best blender for crushing ice and frozen drinks for the money. This 7-pound model is low cost and lightweight but still has a strong 1000 watt motor that can quickly crush ice and frozen fruit. It has a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher with a large 64-ounce blending capacity and a sturdy 6-blade assembly, plus a simple interface with pulse, low, medium, and high options. The BL610 has a reasonably appealing design and works well with ice but is also quite loud and requires damping for smooth blends. The pitcher isn't as durable as we'd like. List number 3. Vitamix 7500 Ice Blender. If you've got extra room in your budget, you may want to give the Vitamix 7500 blender a look. This high-end model has a powerful all-metal drive and plenty of useful features but is also heavy and has less durable components. This 13-pound blender has a powerful motor and a good 64-ounce blending capacity. It has a somewhat clunky switch and dial interface that offers 10 variable speeds and a pulse option. The motor is equipped with a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system, and the 4-tip stainless steel blade assembly effectively cuts through ice. We especially like the self-cleaning feature and the choice of attractive colors. In testing, we found that the gears and blades aren't very durable and may break down over time. List number 4. Hamilton 54220 Ice Crushing Blenders. The Hamilton Beach 54220 Wave Crusher Blender is a very affordable and lightweight option, though it isn't particularly durable and doesn't work as well on ice. This 7-pound machine has a less powerful 700 watt motor and patented 4-tip blade assembly and wave action system designed to blend smoothly. The small 40-ounce blending jar is made of glass, and the machine comes with a self-cleaning feature. The 8-button interface offers an impressive 14 blending functions, including a range of presets. This model isn't too loud, but it has less durable plastic pieces, like the blade attachment, and the pitcher has indents that prevent smooth blending. List number 5. Oster Reverse Crush Ice Blender. Another low-cost option is the Oster BVCB07ZNP0 Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender, an interesting-looking model with several convenient features. This 9.15-pound machine has an overly complicated, though well-labeled, 9-button interface. You can choose between 2 presets, one of which is for frozen drinks, and 5 manual speeds. We like the dedicated stop button and the dual-direction 6-tip stainless steel blades, which reverse automatically when the machine jams. The 48-ounce blending jar is made of sturdy, dishwasher-safe glass, and the lid has a 2-ounce filler cap so you can add ingredients while blending.